Ready for lesson? Okay, let's start. So this is normal tech level arc length sector area. Okay, it is nothing compared to normal ACAD on express. Theirs is more complex. But you will learn the basic of finding a part of a circle. A sector is part of a circle. Okay, so generally you need to know two basic formula first. Pi r times 30. No, it is not. Who mute? Who's the one who mute? March, did you mute the person? The person is trying to put the formula in. Okay, so that's the wrong formula. Alamak. Okay, anyway. Okay, let's see. So, two formulas that you need to know. Area of a circle. Let's talk about area of circle first. I must use red color first, because this one is not 100% related to this question. So, let's have two formula that you must know. Area of a full circle. Area of a full circle is pi r square. Yes, pi r square. That's area of a full circle. Full circle. Then we need to have the circumference of a circle. Circumference is like the perimeter. And the formula is pi times diameter. Okay, pi times diameter. So this is the two main formula that you need to remember for today's topic. Okay, then the next thing is you need to form fraction. Because when you find sector area, okay, it is a part of a circle. So it depends on what is the angle. Like for this 30 degree, they ask to find the arc length. Arc length means they only want the arc, which is this part. Okay, they want the arc length, which is this. So when full circle is pi d, is a full circle. But when it is an arc, I will take the angle, which is 30 degree. No, diameter, it is 10. Diameter is 10. This is radius. Okay, you see, this is actually the center of the circle. If I actually this is the full circle. Right? This is the full circle. Pi d also can, or pi 2r, which is 2 pi r also can. Either one also can. Okay, so in this case, this is a part of a circle and the radius is 5. So the radius is equals to 5. And diameter is 2r. So it will be 10 cm. So this is the two numbers that you need to know. So yes, theta out of 360 times 2 pi r. Okay, so that means in this case 30 degree out of full circle is 360 degrees. So it's 30 degree out of 360 degree. You want the arc length, you multiply by pi d or multiply by 2 pi r. So multiply by 2 pi r, which is 5 cm over here. Okay, so when you press a calculator, why I use red color? Alamak. Okay, so it will give you 2.61799. So always check when they ask for when we're going to use pi, you need to check whether they give us any value of the pi. Sometimes they say pi equals to 22/7. Sometimes they say pi is 3.14. In this case, if they never mention anything, means you're going to use calculator pi. So round off to 3SF. So this is the third SF. 7 tells me I have to round 1 up. So it will be 2.62 cm. So this is round off to 3SF. Okay. So when it is not exact and they never mention anything, we will round it off to 3SF. Hello, Teacher Hazel. Yes. So how old are you already since you say that you feel that, wow, this is like you learned long time ago, is it? Okay, so next, sector area. So we also use the same fraction. So it will be 30 degree out of 360 multiplied by pi r square. Okay, take note, 5r, the r square is 5 times 5. Press the calculator accordingly. Sure, you know, round off in real life might not fit. I don't understand, 户人. Tomorrow PSLE. PSLE 你只 only learn circle, semicircle and quadrant. You won't learn this shape. Okay? Yes, it's 5 square is 25. You are right, Hazel. Okay? So what you're going to do is just press the calculator and we will have 6.5449. So again, round off to 3SF. Okay, 6.54. So it will be 6.54, and because this is area, so it is cm square, 3SF. Okay. Wait, give me 1 minute. Okay. Moderator, control, don't block two. Don't be so stringent, don't be so strict, Okay. Now, next question, Now question 1 is done. Let's go to the next question. Okay, question number 2. Yes, I teach O-level EMath. Okay, by the way, I have September, I have an O-level crash course. So go to my bio, click on the September crash course link and then register. You can look at the details. Click on the link and then go and see what are included in the O-level EMath crash course. Now let's take a look at question number 2. So this question, first is identical, and they also tell us it's quadrant. Okay, radius 4 cm, they stated here. So quadrant is 90 degree. So parameter of the figure, take note, this is parameter. So in this case, parameter, I need to find this arc, and this arc. And since they're identical, so what I'm going to do is 90 degree out of 360 multiplied by pi d. This is only one arc. I have 3 of them, so I'm going to times 3. So that will give me 1, 2, and 3 arc. Right? And not forgetting the whole thing, you're going to plus what? Plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 radius. So you will plus the 6 times 4. D is the diameter. Okay, again, radius is 4 cm. Diameter is 4 times 2, which is 8 cm. Okay. So it will be 3 multiplied by 90 out of 360 multiplied by pi 8 plus 24. So press calculator, you get 42.849. Again, round off to 3SF, I get 42.8 cm. So 3SF. Game development. No lah, I think game development more or less is on the logical analyzing. Okay, now area of the figure. Area of the figure, same thing because it's a quadrant. Okay, so area is very easy. Why? Because you will just find area of one quadrant, then after that just multiply by 3. So we will do 90 out of 360 multiplied by pi r squared. This is only for one quadrant. And after that, I have a times 3. So the whole thing multiplied by 3. 90 out of 360 is because this is right angle, this is 90 degree. Okay, because quadrant is like that. When you have a full circle is 360. So if it's a quadrant, means 90 out of 360. Okay, that's why it's 90 out of 360. So when you press a calculator, you get 37.699. So round off to 3SF, I get 37.7 cm squared. 3SF. Pi d times pi diameter is because this is finding the circumference. So you see, just now I say the formula. So you need to take down these two formula. Okay, so those who are irrelevant stuff, my moderator will block you. The one who say what is it recess time, please, if you continue to talk irrelevant stuff, my moderator will block you. Okay, so look here, area of circle, you need to write down this formula. This is a full circle, pi r squared. Circumference of a circle is pi d or 2 pi r. Both is the same because diameter is 2r. So both is the same. This is to find full circle. So over here, in this question, first part A, I want to find the parameter. So I want to find arc. So if I want to find only a quadrant, that's why I take 90 out of 360 multiplied by pi d. And there are 3 of them, so I times 3. Then plus 6 of 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 of the 4. And I get this. Okay? Sure, my math test got full mark. Good. Good for you. Okay? So this one is area. So I'm using the area formula, which is pi r squared. See, this one is the full circle, pi r squared. And because this is only a quadrant, that's why 90 out of 360 times pi r squared, which is 1 quadrant. I have 3 identical, so just times 3. So I get this, and then after round off to 3SF. Okay? This is normal tech syllabus arc length sector area. Yes, P6 also can do. Because P6 learns circle already, right? And they also learn quadrant. Okay? Okay, let's move on to question number 3. Okay, so over here, this question. Now, let's read the question together. So, the diagram below represent a part of a toy OABC, made up of a stainless steel. It has a circular hole here with radius 1.5 cm. So this inside, the radius is 1.5 cm. You can also straight away write out what's the diameter, which is 1.5 times 2, so it's 3 cm. So they asked to calculate the area of the circular hole. Area of a circular hole is just, because it's a full circle, so it's straight away just pi r squared. And because it's referring to the small circle, the radius of the small circle is 1.5. So throw in the 1.5. Again, check whether they got asked me to use any particular pi. The radius is half of full circle. No, radius is like that. This one is this part to this part is radius. Okay? And whole thing is diameter. Okay? Whole thing is diameter. So this one pi 1.5 squared. They never asked me to use any particular pi, so we use calculator pi. So when you press the calculator, you get 7.0685. So round off to 3SF. This is my third SF. 8 tells me that I have to round this up. Therefore, this one becomes 7.07 cm squared. Okay, this is round off to 3SF. Right? Okay, the shaded area a little bit tricky. So sometimes some students may find it very easy lah. But you need to know that, okay, area means, okay, just imagine this part of a circle. This is called a sector. I want to cut away the hole. Okay, cut out the hole. So you will have to find the area of the sector minus the area of the circle. Yeah, I do Sec 2 Normal Tech Math. Again, for those who are new here, okay, you can go to my bio, click on the link, go to my Telegram channel. The last button, go to my Telegram channel. Today, PDF worksheet is already uploaded there. You can download and do it together with me. Okay, at the same time, tomorrow we will upload the solution. That means now I'm doing the work, right? So we will attach a new worksheet together with the solution, as well as also upload to the YouTube channel for the replay. Okay, you can go to my YouTube channel by going to my bio. Same thing, click on the menu button, click on the link. My second last button will go straight to my YouTube channel. So when you go to my YouTube channel, under my video, you can search for the topic that you are weak at. Most likely you can find. I can't remember this one. Okay, let me check. A few students keep asking me whether this one is, I definitely know this one is the upper sec normal tech math question. Can't remember it's Sec 3 or Sec 4. Okay, I have more students teaching normal acad and express. I have only a few students who is not, 1 or 2 students who is normal tech. So I'm not 100% sure of the sleep. Wait, let me do a check. Okay, while waiting for me, you can help me to like and share. Okay, share to your friend. Can go to my Telegram channel. Help me to join my Telegram channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Normal tech. Let's see. Okay, this is under Sec 4 Normal Tech. That means they learn it in the year 4. Okay, but I think this one is pretty straightforward. Yes, they learn it in Sec 4. They learn it in Sec 4. I feel that this is not difficult because you can simply just March, are you able to go to my and see? Wait, let me just write down the name. Maybe my moderator accidentally blocked the person. Let me write out the name first. K-E-K-P-U-K-I. Okay, so but now I cannot do the check because I'm doing the live. I cannot go to my setting. Okay, so tell your friend whether she can actually watch the replay or maybe you can learn now, then after that you can teach your classmate also Okay. Yes, I do O-level. I teach Singapore Math O-level. Okay, let me just continue. So let's find the sector area first. So it will be 270 degree because they give us 270 already. So it will be 270 out of 360 multiplied by, because they want area, so we use pi r square. So it's pi r. But take note, this is the bigger circle. And the bigger circle, what is the radius? They give us 4.3. So this one is 4.3, bigger circle. So this one will be 4.3 square. Take note, this is the area of the sector, this one. Okay, without the hole. Without the hole. Now, I want to find the shaded area. I need to minus away the small hole. And over here, we already find the small hole. But take note, you cannot minus 7.07. You always minus the long number. So you will minus 7.0685. Okay, so the whole thing, usually I press the calculator for this one. And then after that, I minus them. Okay, show you how to key in the calculator for this case. 270 out of 360 multiplied by pi r square. Okay. No, I don't teach Malaysia, but I know that definitely math, Malaysian math syllabus definitely include all these because no need, no, don't go radian, don't go radian, nothing to do with radian. Okay, for the normal tech arc length sector area is pretty straightforward. Because they don't learn radian, they only use degree. So then after that, it will give me this. This one is only the full circle. So I will write 43.566. Then after that, I need to minus this. Minus 7.0685. So you can key minus 7.0685. And we will get 36.497. So round off to 3SF, 36.5 cm square. So 3SF. Nope, I only teach math, EMath, AMath for secondary school. You have the same calculator with me. This calculator is not approved for O-level. I use it, I think, during my uni life. NTU. Okay, so, yeah. Then I also buy another calculator. This calculator is when I use for my, I use for my IGCSE exam. Okay, because this calculator not approved also. So I also bought another calculator for IGCSE. Okay. Okay, so we are done with this. So this question, you see, you just need the full circle, sector circle, sector area minus the circle, and you get the shaded area. So that is for question number 3. Okay, that's for question number 3. Okay, let's move on. Oh, hey, there's a part C. So same question, I have to find the parameter of the shaded area. Okay, see here, parameter, sometimes a lot of students get a little bit confused. So what I always tell my students is, you imagine the shaded area like a jelly. What you need to do is you use string to hold the jelly together, right? So when we talk about parameter, we have to find all this plus together, including the inside. Okay? So the green color part is called the parameter of the shaded. It is like you want to hold the jelly in form to form this shaded area. Okay? Yes. So what I'm going to do is, let's find the arc of this one first. So this arc is simply take 270 degree. Okay? So it's 270 degree out of 360 multiplied by pi d. And again, it is the big one. And radius is 4.3. So the diameter is 4.3 times 2. That is this arc for the big sector area. Then I need to plus these 2. This is the radius. So plus 4.3 plus 4.3. So I need to plus 4.3 plus 4.3. I still have one more to plus. The inside. Inside is a full circle. But this time around, the smaller one, the radius is 1.5. The diameter is 3. So I have to plus pi times 3. Okay, 3 is because I need to find the diameter of the smaller circle. So after that, press calculator, blah, blah, blah. Okay, in this case, I have split it. Okay, so this one, when you press the calculator, we will get 20.2632. Okay, this 3 pi, when I press the calculator, okay, this one is 8.6. This one is this one. This one is plus 9.4247. So when it is very long, try not to key the whole thing to the calculator. Sometimes students, I see them so ambitious, key the whole thing into the calculator. But very high chance got mistake, you see. So usually what I do is, we do like that, then we key calculator. We do this, then we key calculator. Do this, key calculator. Then one time you key 3 numbers. It's safer this way, understand? Safer, Okay. So after that, after you plus together, you get 38.2879. Again, round off to 3SF, so you get 38.3. So cm, because this is parameter, so 3SF. Done. Okay. But the thing is, you see, our calculator, the display limited space, if you key the whole thing, what's the chance that you will have mistake? Very high chance, okay? Very high chance, So usually, I don't want to make any, take any risk, We just key in separately. At least we know that we can get this 3 marks. Normal tech will learn this in Sec 4. Okay, learn this in Sec 4, Okay, next, question number 4. You all talk too fast, please, those irrelevant one, don't say so much, because if you all key to, if you all say so many irrelevant, I cannot see those genuine questions from the others. What's the calculation to find my dad? Please block this person. Thank you very much. Okay? Because you just wasted 2 seconds of my life reading your comment. Okay, the diagram shows a sector of a circle with radius 8 cm and a sector angle 255. Okay, we are seriously learning here, so those who are not serious, please swipe away. You can go and join other TikTok live and they teach you those funny other stuff. But then if you're not interested, then you can just swipe away. But don't try to comment here. Just, is it harder to change from 255 times pi over 100? You mean change to radian? Actually, okay, for those who are in like normal acad or for the express, you all have the radian formula, right? Pi r theta to find arc length, half r square theta is to find the area sector. But if the question give you degree, then you don't itchy hand go and change to radian for what? Waste time, right? Unless the angle they give you is in radian, then okay, you straight away can use the radian formula. But if not, why you need to convert here, convert there, right? Waste time, right? So, but normal tech simply just use degree, okay? Yes, Sec 4 normal tech will learn this. So now, let's continue. Let's find the area of the sector. So easy by now, you all should be expert now. So 255, just take the 255 out of 360. Form the fraction first, and they want area, so I just multiply by pi r square. Okay? Then after that, again, press the calculator. You will have 142.4188. So round off the 3SF, you get 142 cm square. 3SF. Okay? Actually, I only started using TikTok last year, June. So actually, I'm still new. So yes, I agree. Those students nowadays, so lucky, right? Got people teach math through TikTok. They can have entertainment at the same time, they also learn. Okay? Hello, is this a real class or is this just a study live? This is last lesson also got someone asked me that it's considered a class. It's considered a class but online and it's through TikTok Sure, I don't teach statistic. But if you're asking for EMath statistic, mean, mode, median, all these, cumulative frequency, all these, I did learn. I need teach that few lessons back. So you can go to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel, please go and subscribe for me, can? You just go to my bio. Wow, thanks for the rose. You just go for the go to my bio, click on my link, click on the second last button, you will go to my YouTube channel. Okay, then go under my videos, go and search for statistic or search for cumulative frequency. Yes, I definitely teach Express, EMath. I teach EMath and AMath for Singapore Math Sec 1 to Sec 5 I don't teach primary school. Last time I teach, now I don't teach. Okay, but I do have students who come in Sec 1. I have 2 students who came in, they are in the Sec 1 normal acad. But the bad news is they actually took foundation math in PSLE. So now they're actually pretty weak. So I have to a bit U-turn back to teach a little bit of primary school Yeah. Wow, thank you for the roses. 谢谢你. For math, we must only do practice question to prepare for exams, right? Yes. But of course, before you do practice question, you have to know the concept. Okay? So I feel that every time I tell my students, okay, you do topical exam paper, from there you will roughly know what topics you are weak at. Then you will go and revise those topics, right? Heart shape. Potato, actually, I just use my mobile today. Usually, I use OBS. But today, I use just mobile. What's that? Is that chicken wing or what? I cannot see. Okay, anyway, this is not O-level. This is GCE NT Normal Tech level. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Next, they ask to find the parameter of the sector. So for students who don't know how to imagine, okay, parameter simply is, okay, I want to find the arc first. So we will take 255 out of 360 multiplied by pi d. So I always write at the side. Radius is 8. The diameter is 8 times 2, which is 16. So when you write this down, you will not take the wrong number. A lot of students sometimes should take radius, they go and take the diameter. Should take diameter, they go and take the radius. And then in the end, they get the answer wrong. Okay? So always reduce the chance of mistake by writing those down. Okay? I always tell my students, hey, you always like to skip step for what? National exam, you are supposed to show off all the skills that you have learned. So you skip this step, skip that step for what? Just write out whatever, just to reduce the mistake, okay? Slow down, I'm very slow already. I still at only question number 4. I have 10 questions today, you know. Okay? Come. So times pi d, right? So my d will be 16. So it's times pi 16. And again, this is only this green color. And then I need to plus the radius and plus the radius. So I will plus 8 plus 8. So then again, press the calculator, you get 51.604. So round off to 3SF, you get 51.6 cm. Always be careful with the unit as well. Parameter is cm, area is cm square. Okay, so this is 3SF. Ta-da! So we are done with this question number 4. Are you an ex-MOE teacher? No leh. I never teach in school before. The reason being why I never teach in school before, because Teacher Kangie cannot wake up early in the morning. No lah, partly also because I prefer freedom lah. Okay, I was an engineer for 4 years, and then after that I teach. Then I start teaching. I teach for, this is my 11th year already. Full-time tutor. Sure, 2 pi r is for the whole circle, right? Yes. Remember just now question 1 I did mention. 2 pi r is the full circle. Where's my paper? Here. Okay, basically you just need to know these 2 formula. Okay, no need to memorize so many things. Okay, memorize these 2 formula. And then after that, the rest is simply just a fraction. Correct or not? Okay. So now this is question 4 done. Okay, this is also done. Let's go to question number 5. I want to find the parameter I just wanted, then pi r. Yes, you want the parameter, right? Just now we want the parameter of this one. Take note that when we take 255 out of 360 times pi d, it's only the arc. You see, full circle, pi d is this whole thing. Imagine it's like a string. Imagine it's like a string. So when pi d is the full string, then when I want 255 out of 360, then you will give me just the arc. It only give me the arc. So you need to manually add the 8 and the 8. Understand? 2 pi r and pi d is the same. Just now I already mentioned about the formula. See here? Pi d is 2r. So 2 pi r and pi d is the same thing. So up to you to see which one you prefer. Okay? So this is for this question number 4. Let's move on to question number 5. Thanks for the rows. Tell us how to check our work when we are done. Okay, usually what I do is I make sure that every steps I key in slow and steady, I would say. Okay, slow and steady, I would say. Then after that, then I will move on to the next question. I try to reduce the mistake. But if let's say when a question I'm not very sure, I did the working, then I still circle the question. Okay, then you move on to the behind question. Until you finish everything, then you come back and check. Don't spend too much time stuck on one question, because you still have other questions to tackle, okay? Okay, now let's move on to question number 5. This is secondary school. Got teach engineering math. No, I never teach engineering math. Although I learned engineering math when I was in NTU, but I don't teach engineering math. Okay? So question 5, the diagram below shows a circle with center O, radius 14 cm, angle 150. They want the area of the major. Okay, so now, just now question 1 to 4 never put the word major. So what is this word major? Okay, you see, if look at this, I have 2 shapes. See here, this is one sector, the 150 is one sector, correct? This is another sector, agree? Which one is smaller, which one is bigger? Okay, the smaller one is called minor. Okay, the smaller one, ayo, my spelling Okay, the smaller one is called minor. Minor. So the bigger one is called major. Yes, minor and major. Yes, well done. Forgotten. Okay, so see this one a bit tricky. They want the major. So they only give me the 150, which is the minor. So it means that I need to find this angle first. So I will do 360 degree minus the 150 first, and that will give me 210 degree. So this is 210 degree, correct? Yes, good. Good. Well done. Okay, then after that, see, I want area, okay? So we will say, okay, 210 degree out of 360 degree. And then, because I want area, right? So multiply by pi r square. What's my radius? 14. Throw the 14 in. Check whether they got asked me to use any particular pi. Don't have. Then use calculator pi. Wow, you very fast, 359.19. Yes, my answer is 359.188. But in Singapore, we usually, when it's not exact, we will round off to 3SF. Okay, so it depends on the question. Sometimes they ask for 2 TP. So you rounded off to 19 is you round off to 2 decimal place. For us, is we round off to 3SF. So can someone tell me this one round off to 3SF is how much? 359, correct. 360 is not correct. 3 is the first SF, second and third. So this is my third SF. Look at this number 1. 1 tells me that I need to my 9 need to stay. So it's 359. So it's 359 and then area. So it is cm square. 3SF. SF is significant figure. Thanks for the, is that the ice cream or a balloon? Cannot see properly. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Question number 6. Thanks for the, is that a fire? Steady, this teacher. Cool kids, you're very cute. Thanks leh, you keep compliment me. I shy already leh. Okay, but I know I'm good lah. Do you teach primary 4? No, sorry, I teach only sec 1 to sec 5. Last time I teach primary 5 and 6. No, 4. Last time, long time ago, I start 4, 5, 6. Then after that, I teach 5 and 6. Then after that, I decided to focus just on secondary school. So I'm now teaching only sec 1 to sec 5. IGCSE syllabus. Although I just take exam for IGCSE in May. Okay, I'm not ready to teach IGCSE yet, but maybe in future. Now focusing on O level and N level. I love math. I don't like math. I love math. Okay, let's move on. The shape, blah, 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 okay, is made up of a triangle and a sector OBC. Okay, they give us all the information already. This one pretty easy. Find the area of the triangle OAB. So the good thing is this triangle OAB is a right angle triangle. So when it's a right angle triangle, it's just half times base times height. Che, you teach how many years already? You look like 21 years old. I behave like 21 years old, I think. I don't look like 21 years old. Thanks for the compliment. I teach for 11 years already for full time. Last time I was an engineer for 4 years before I graduate. I don't need Picasso because I don't need angle. I only need the area. I can just use half times base times height. So in this case, I just use half times base times height. The base is 12, perpendicular height. So this one is the height 9. Base and height. So some students say, can 9 be base or not? Actually, doesn't matter. Base times height or base times height also can, okay? Every triangle have 3 sets of base and height. Malaysia and Singapore doesn't have 100% same syllabus, but I believe everyone, it's only the sequence of the topic is different, but definitely the syllabus is the same. Oh, Sam, you are here. Sam secretly is here. Okay, so half time base times height. So half times 12 times 9. My screen slanted to the right. Can move to the left. Oh, sorry. Because Last time I used OBS, easier to see my screen. Now I use mobile phone. You know, my phone is actually at my face level. Then I cannot see properly, okay? Thanks for highlighting. Can see the screen now? Hi, good evening. So, yes, 54, okay? So, in the end, I get cm squared. Done. Okay? So, we still got the part B. Part B is asking for the arc length. Is that a crab rice? Cannot see. Wow, chili crab. Hey, how you know I love chili crab? Give me more chili crab, huh? Oh my god, high cholesterol, but thanks for the chili crab. Arc length BC. Let's go back. Be careful, they ask for arc length only, they don't ask for parameter. So actually, this one very easy only. They only asking for this one. And remember just now I teach full circle is pi times diameter, right? Oh, now got ice cream. After chili crab, I have ice cream. So we have 62 degree. So this is actually a sector, correct? Simply just take 62 degree. 62 degree out of 360 multiply by, because they want arc length means multiply by pi d. And remember just now I said we must always see whether what is our radius and what is our diameter. See here. Wow, Vasto, now you can help me answer question. Thank you very much. So this one be careful. See, my center is actually here. If you imagine this is the full circle. So actually 15 cm is the radius. So you can write out here. Radius is 15, diameter is 15 times 2, so it's 30 cm. So 30 cm. So over here, that means it's pi times 30. Okay? And just press a calculator, we will get 16.231. So come test your round off the 3SF, what should I get? Okay. Normally I convert to radian. Brian, no lah, since this one is degree is given, don't convert to radian unless they already give us in radian. Then we use the r theta. Okay, but if you convert to radian, then it'll be one more step, correct or not? Yeah, 16.2. 3SF is 16.2. Sure, how we know it's a right angle? Question did not state. Got Oh no, actually this question, the diagram is here. It's just that my team forget to add in the diagram, but in the Telegram channel worksheet they already add in the diagram. Okay, the diagram itself they give us they already state the 90 degree there. Okay. So yes, you all are right. 16.2. Well done. Okay. So again, this is arc length, so we know it's cm. So 3SF. Right? Good. So now, just now we have the word major, right? So now they got the word minor. So they ask for the area of the minor. So now can someone tell me, is it the smaller one or the bigger one? Minor. Minor, bigger one or smaller one? Oh, now I understand. Good. Thank you for taking the time and energy to educate us. Thanks for the compliment and thanks for the appreciation. Wow, why I got see small, big, small, big? Who say big? Chicken, who say big? This one is minor leh. Who say big? Who say big? Small one. Minor is small one. Just now I mentioned, right? See? Smaller one is minor, bigger one is major. So I want the small one. Small one is 65 degrees. So I don't have to do any additional like finding the angle. So let's find the minor. So it's 65 degrees out of 360. I want area. So multiply by pi r squared. Then throw in the r. Look at the question. Oh, my r is just 7. So 7 is inside. Press the calculator. We have 27.79. Wait this one. Let's see whether you all know how to round off or not. So round this off to 3SF. What do I get? Wow. Zam Pros, you fast, I haven't even asked, you already know how to give me the answer. Who give 28? Who give 28? 28 is 2SF, 28 is 2SF. I want 3SF, okay? So it's 27.8, okay? So because first SF is 2, 7 is the second, my third SF is the 7. 9 tells me that I need to round the 7 up. That's why it's 27.8. Wow, who give me 28.8 ah? Then you get 0 mark out of 2 already. So it will be, again, it is area. So it is cm square. So this is 3SF. Okay, it's okay. If you give the wrong answer, you just learn from us. I mean, learn already, then after you will not make the same mistake. Sure, to be honest, you remind of my O-level EMath teacher. I teach O-level EMath also lah. So, I don't know what I mean by remind you of the teacher. This question, Sec 4 O-level math. This is Sec 4 normal tech math. Yes, O-level do learn arc length sector area, but will not be so easy lah. This one, I can only say it's more to basic only. Basic only. So now we are done with this question number 7. Oh, we still have a 7B. See here, we still have a 7B. And this time round, they ask for the parameter of the measure. Okay, so measure, now you should know measure is what? Measure is the bigger one. Bigger one. So that means I need to find the angle over here. I need to find the angle over here. So we will take 360 degree minus 65 degree. Okay, so it will be 360 minus 65. So we will have 295 degree. So we need the parameter. So let's go back to the diagram and see what they want. They actually want the parameter. So that means I need this. And then after that, I need to plus this and plus this. Correct? So let's go and find the angle first, which is 295. So I'm going to take 295 degree out of 360 degree, multiply by pi d. So again, this one, the radius is 7. My diameter is 7 times 2, which is 14. Okay? Okay, Pythagoras theorem, trigo, I did it before. Can you go to my YouTube channel, under my video, search for Pythagoras theorem or search for trigo? Sure, got a lot of videos that come out. So this one is pi times 14, correct? Wait. I want to see. And don't forget, we need to plus what? We need to plus the 7 and the 7. So I need to plus 7 plus 7. So some students say, straight plus 14 lah. No lah, I want to be very careful. So I plus 7 plus 7, okay? So then after that, just press the calculator and I have 50.041. So round it off to 3SF. Can someone tell me what is the 3SF for these? Plus 7 because they want the parameter ma. When we take the pi d times the angle, okay, it only give me the arc. Parameter, I need to manually add the 7 and the 7. Okay, 50.0. Okay, so some student may think that, 58.0 and 50 is the same. Why must put 50.0, correct? But you see, if you purposely put a 0 behind, that means you need to count it as a SF. Okay, so this is not exact. So if they ask, when we need to round off to 3SF, you need to put 50.0. We need to put the, this is called optional 0, but we have to put it because we want 3SF. So it's 50.0 cm. So this is 3SF. Okay. Okay, now let's take a look at question number 8. Question number 8. So, this is a sector of a circle. Now, easy. Calculate the sector area. I think now we're already at question number 8. I believe all of you are already expert in finding this. Can someone tell me what's the working for this one? Okay, what should I find? Now we are already at question number 8. By now, you all should be expert in finding this topic already. Half r squared theta. No, I shouldn't use that because I'm not given radian. I'm given degree. So it's 45 out of No, why you need to convert it to radian? No need to convert to radian. Since they give us the degree, might as well just use degree, right? Yes, I saw some answer there already. 45 over 360. Just now I saw one which is the... Oh, yes, the next one. 45 out of 360 times 22 over 7 times 6 times 6. Well done, but this question never tell us to use 22 over 7. So we have to use calculator pi. Unless they say 22 over 7. So we will take 45 degree out of 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So when you press the calculator, you get 14.137. Round off to 3SF, I get 14.1. This is area, so this is cm squared. 3SF. Huh? Who is that, Bobby? Bobby trying to disturb, huh? Block. Okay. Now let's take a, this is 8A. Let's take a look at 8B. Just now this one is 2 marks, lor. This one is 2 marks. Okay, now they want the parameter of the sector. So parameter of the sector, take note that, okay, 45 degree, we also do the fraction. So it will be 45 degree out of 360 degree. Multiply, again, parameter, so it's multiplied by pi d. So again, come back to here. This is radius. Radius is 6. My diameter is 6 times 2, so it's 12 cm. So pi times 12. So it's pi times 12. But be careful, they want parameter. They're not asking for the arc length. So this one, after that, you have to manually add the 6 and the 6. So you have to plus 6 plus 6. And then after that, we have 16.712. Round off to 3SF. Yes, 16.7, 3SF. Wow, you even include the bracket. Well done. 16.7 cm. So this is 3SF. This is secondary school. Can go through O-level vectors, please. I know vectors is like killer topic, right? Go to my YouTube channel. Again, and let me repeat. For those who are new here, go to my bio, click on my link. My second last button will go to my YouTube channel. There's a lot of gems there. Under my videos, you can search for vector. Okay, I can't remember got S or not. You can search for vector or vectors and then see whether what videos come out. Then after that, you can also go to my Telegram channel. And then from there, you can download the PDF worksheet, okay? We already upload quite a lot. Today, this one is my, you see, this is my 78, number 78 TikTok live. It means that I have done 77 TikTok live math teaching. So there's a lot of gems in my YouTube channel, okay? And when you go to my YouTube channel, please help me to subscribe. And other than subscribe, please help me to like, help me to comment. I have 10 questions. So now I'm at question number 9 already. So 2 more questions to go. Okay, 2 more questions to do. Mensuration. Wow, you're so clever. This coming Sunday, I'm doing mensuration. But not normal tech. This Sunday, I'm doing express normal acad mensuration, volume, total surface area of prism, sphere, cone, and pyramid. So this coming Sunday, 5 to 6 p.m., I'm also doing another TikTok live. My TikTok live is every Wednesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Singapore time. Sunday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. Singapore time. Okay? Yes, I'm going to do mensuration this coming Sunday. So remember to follow me so that you will receive my alert when I will do my TikTok live. And then you put in your calendar this coming Sunday, 5 o'clock to 6 p.m. I'm doing mensuration. Okay? I did the mensuration for normal tech previously already. Go to my YouTube channel and go and find, okay? Okay, now let's continue this question. Okay, take note this question. This question, you see here? They say using pi is equals to 22 over 7. Wow, you so fast already. Let me see you are correct or not. 140 out of 360 pi. Yeah. Okay. So let's see. They want the parameter. Let's find the arc first. So we will take 140 degree out of 360 multiply by pi d. This is radius. Radius is 9 cm. My diameter is 9 times 2, so it's 18 cm. Do you times 2? Ah, you use 9. Do you use 9? You forgot to change to diameter. For the E, so you have to be careful. This is circumference, so it's pi times 18, not pi times 9. Okay, then after that, yes, you are right on plus 9 plus 9. So then after that, when you press the calculator, this one's so nice, you get a nice 40. Wait, I need to do one more step by changing my pi to 22 over 7. So 140 out of 360 multiplied by 22 over 7 multiplied by 18 plus 18. So in the end, I will get 40 cm. Why 9 times 2? Which one? This part? I need to find the diameter. This is formula is pi d or 2 pi r. The 9 is the radius. We need the diameter. Yes, we need the diameter. Okay, so this one no need to round off because it is exact. This is exact. Exact, we no need to round off. Okay, now let's move on to question number 10. Yeah, we are at the last question for the night. Okay. What is the formula for this? Wow, I'm already at question number 10, you know. You're asking me for what formula? Okay. Don't know what you're talking about. Block. Okay, that's true when you are using radian and not degree. What level of math is this? This is Sec 4 normal tech math, arc length sector area. Okay, the diagram below shows a farm in the shape of a sector with center O and radius 25 meter. And this one, take note, do you see that just now previously it's all cm, now it's meter. Then after that, they asked to find the parameter of the farm. Same, I need to find the arc. So 110 out of 360 multiplied by pi d. Again, my radius is 25 meter. My diameter is 25 times 2, which is 50 meter. So this time around, they never asked me to use any particular pi. So we're going to use calculator pi. So pi times 50. And don't forget to plus 25 plus 25. This is this portion, the arc. Plus 25 plus 25, so you get it out. Then after that, press calculator. So in the end, this one, okay, let's see whether you all can round off correctly or not. The answer is 97.996. So round off to 3SF, what should I get? 3SF, 3SF. See, this one max out 0.99. You all learn fast, compulsory, you need to put a 0 there. If not, they will not count as 3SF, right? 98, although the answer is, the value is the same, but if I want 3SF, you have to put the 0 there. So I should put 98.0. See, this is my first, second, this is my third SF. This 9 tells me that I need to round my 9 up, but my 9 already maxed up. It's already max, so I have to affect the 7. Okay, that's why it's 98. But I have to put the 0.0 so that it's considered 3SF. If I don't put the 0 there, this is considered 2SF. Okay, so 98.0, and be careful, this is parameter and it is meter. So it's meter 3SF. Yes, meter. Well done. Okay, now the last one. The amount of money that Betty has to pay to cover the entire farm with tomato. If the cost of planting is $52 per square meter. So this is very good. They already tell you actually you're going to use area. So we have to find the area of the sector first. Yes, correct. Because they want diameter, so it's pi d. That's why it's pi times 50. So let's find the area of this sector first. So it will be 110 out of 360 multiplied by pi r square. My r is 25. Throw in the 25. Okay. So my area in this case is, let's press the calculator. 110 out of 360 multiplied by pi r square. So I get 599.95693. Because this is not my final answer, so I don't round it off. Okay, I don't round it off. Because I need to find the money, the cost. So I need to multiply by $52. So I will take the long number. So we will take 599.95693 multiplied by $52. And we will get 31197.760. So this one is dollar. This one is money. 25 is radius. You have to imagine this. This is a full circle. 25 is a radius, not the diameter. Okay, so for money, it is not round off to 3SF. Okay, money you round off to the nearest cents or 2dp. Okay, so sometimes students say nearest cents, they go and round up, this one become 80 cents. But you must know, when they say nearest cents, we have this 0.0, the 1 cent, 1 cent. So it's actually 2dp, 2dp. Okay, although 1 cent now is obsolete. I don't think now they accept 1 cent already. Okay, so round off to 2dp, it will be 31197.76. So over here, I usually write 2dp, okay, and that will be the answer. How do we know when to use radius or diameter? It depends on whether you, pi r square is area, so you use radius, correct? Circumference is pi d or 2 pi r, either one. So you just sub accordingly. Like I mentioned, the very first, I already say you just need two formula. Area of full circle is pi r square. Circumference of a full circle is pi times diameter. Right? Wow, not bad. You all survived 1 hour with me learning math, right? What about radian? Okay. Anyway, just put aside. Okay, I'm done with the syllabus. So now I'm going to talk about the radian thing. So take note, the radian thing doesn't apply for normal tech. It only applies for normal acad as well as express. So let me talk a little bit about the radian and degree. Because I know a lot of students hate radian. But actually radian is quite easy. So let me just talk. This is additional arc length sector area. Okay. This is not normal tech. Take note, it's normal acad and express only. Okay. So I will use blue color. So we have this formula arc length, which is using the radian, which is called r theta. And then we also have this formula sector area. And the good news is formula is given. I don't know about others, Malaysia or IGCSE. No, IGCSE never give this formula also. Okay, so sector area is half r square theta. I don't recall they give this formula. But they don't have a formula list. But usually their formula is given inside the question itself. So it's half r square theta. So this is the formula only when angle is in radian. Okay? Right. Yeah, but during the exam, I remember like when they have the question, right? Then if they have formula, they will just put at the bottom the formula. Okay, so now let's talk a little bit about this radian thing. Okay, angle, we actually have 2 units. So the usual thing that we always see is degree, correct? Just like, for example, we talk about the height. Okay, let's say our height is, we can say is 1.70 meter. Height, I'm talking about height. And then at the same time, I also can say it is 170 cm. Agree? They are the same value but different unit. Right? So same thing as angle. Angle can be given in degree. It also can be given in radian. Okay? Okay, so let's say for example degree. Okay, if it is 30 degree, then what is the equivalent radian? IP math, actually I have students who are in the IP track. But but they're under my care as a tuition, but they are parents, and they have to know, the parents and the kids know that because I don't use the graphical calculator, that's one. And then about I think 5% of their 4 years topics I don't learn, so there will be about 5% of the syllabus that I cannot teach, but 95% of their syllabus is O-level, so they still come under my care lah. So how do you change to radian? Okay, so I multiply by pi over 180. Okay, you can put it in decimal, or you can put it also in pi. So it's actually pi over 6 radian. If you want to press the calculator in decimal, also can. 30 degree multiplied by pi over 180. So this is how I convert to radian. Okay, when I convert to radian, my pi is at the top, my degree is at the bottom. Okay, when I want to convert the other way around, then my 180 at the top, my pi is at the bottom. So when I press the calculator, it will give me 0.5235 radian. Okay, so in degree is 30 degree. The equivalent size in terms of radian, it is pi over 6 radian or 0.5235 radian. Okay, so this is how I convert. Okay, likewise, if let's say I'm given, okay, 0.7 radian, for example, how do I convert this to degree? So I multiply by 180 over pi. So 0.7 radian, then I multiply by 180 over pi. So you give you 40.107 degree. So this is how I convert from degree to radian, radian to degree. Okay, so now, then after that, so some students also ask, do I have to be in the radian mode when I do this calculation or when I use this formula? No need. Okay, you don't have to be in radian mode when you need to use this formula. The only thing you need to take note is this theta must be radian angle. No, degree is 1 dp. By right, I need to round off to 1 dp, 40.1 degree. Only 3s, radian is 3sf. Okay, radian is 3sf. Degree must be 1 dp. Very easy one. You see, once you convert already, I want to find arc length. Let's say, for example, I have this question over here. Let's say this one is 0.7 radian. And then let's say my radius is 7 cm. How to find the parameter of this? Okay, parameter. I use the formula r theta. All I need to do is, 7 times 0.7. 7 times 0.7 r theta. That will give me the arc length already. Then I need to plus manually the 7 and the 7. So plus 7, and then after that, that will be my parameter. So just 7 times 0.7, then after that plus 14, and then we will get 18.9 cm. That will be finding the parameter. That will be finding the parameter. When my angle is given in radian, I straight away just use the formula, correct? Same likewise, if let's say I want to find the area of this sector. Okay, so you see my formula over here, sector area is just half r square theta. So if I want to find the area, very easy, I straight away, so half r square theta. The area is 7 and the theta in this case is 0.7 radian. So again, just key the calculator. Okay, so half times 7 square multiplied by 0.7, and that will give us 17.15. And in this case, you see that it is nice number, exact number. So you don't need to round off. So this one is cm square. Okay, so this is how you use the formula r theta and half r square theta. If they give you in radian, straight away just apply the formula. Very easy one. Okay, if not, then we will just use like just now I teach, whereby when the angle given to us is in degree, then we use the degree formula. All you need is form the fraction, then just multiply by either pi r square or pi d. Right? Okay? Yep. So that's all for today.